Commercial boilers rarely make strange noises without a reason, and each sound points to something specific inside the system. Banging or kettling usually means mineral scale has built up on the heat exchanger, a common issue with North Texas hard water. Whistling or hissing often signals a pressure restriction or a relief valve under stress that should never be ignored. Gurgling points to trapped air or loose sediment, while rumbling usually traces back to the circulation pump. Frisco water conditions and shifting municipal pressure make these problems more frequent for commercial facilities. Garrison Plumbing Services delivers HALO-certified, background-checked technicians who keep your commercial boiler running quietly and reliably.